Hey everybody, this is Jason from Kraftwerks. I want to welcome Brian Ortega to the Kraftwerks family. We're going to be supercharging his Jeep JK here. Make sure you keep a lookout. We're going to be doing over at All-Terrain Garage. So keep a lookout on Instagram and everything for the videos coming out. Should be big. Woo! Hey everybody, we got Brian Ortega's Jeep JK here. We just finished up getting the supercharger installed over at All-Terrain Garage. So make sure you keep an eye on social media. He's gonna be doing a lot of trips on and look for some feedback from it. Kraftwerks!